Hello there, welcome back to our channel at Ace Electricals. In today's episode, we appreciate the circuit diagram of an iron. So, firstly, we are looking at the key components of an iron. It's the cord, it's the switch. Inside, we have a thermal fuse, we have the element, and the light. So, when we check the circuit diagram, our switch, our thermal fuse, and element are connected in series. So which means if the switch is malfunctioning, it automatically affects the thermal fuse and the element. So if the thermal fuse is the one that's faulty, the power will be able to pass through the switch, but it won't be able to pass through the thermal fuse. Which means if your iron doesn't come on, the chances are it's the thermal fuse that is faulty. However, even if when the switch is faulty, your iron will not come on. But the story of element and light, those ones are connected in parallel, which means the circuit will still be complete even if the element is faulty, the light is working. So that's when you see when you switch on your iron, the light comes on, but it's not heating up. However, the light can still be faulty and your element is still working. So we see that happening when you switch on your iron, the light doesn't come on, but it heats up. So with the thermal fuse, there won't be any power. So when you switch it on, your light won't come on and your element won't come on because they are in series. So which means the power is not either passing the switch or it's not passing the thermal fuse. So the secondary things, which are element and light, won't be able to come on. So you need to replace or repair the thermal fuse in order for the iron to be on. Same thing happens with the switch. So if the switch is faulty, it's either you repair it or you replace it. Know that when your iron doesn't come on, the light doesn't come on when you switch it on and it's not heating up, that iron is repairable. It's either the switch or the thermal fuse. Those can be repaired on or replaced.